Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Viba's Kitchen. We are still making the heavenly recipe, so stick and stay. Hope you are doing great by the grace of God. Today we are making caramelized candy or fun toffee. If you are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. I'm using the homemade condensed milk that I made not long ago, okay? So if you haven't seen this video so far, I'll leave the link in the description box below, so check it out for your own convenience, okay? I'm going to use both of the condensed milk, so guys, you will see the difference when I combine them. So right now I'm adding olive oil to the saucepan. I'm going ahead to add the thick one first, and then I'll just stir it combine with the oil, and then I'll add the light one as well. This condensed milk looks so thick, very nice. I love the consistency. But the moment I add the light one, guys, you will see that it will turn a little bit watery, simply because the one I'm going to add is light. So it's like adding water to something. It obviously becomes watery. So guys, when you're making your own homemade condensed milk, the thickness depends on you, except you want to make caramelized candy or fan toffee with it. Then I'll advise to make it a little bit thick, like the first one, in order not to go through like some process or a long time before you can get it thickened up and make your candy or toffee in the long run, guys. So here we are. So far, so good. Wow, this smells so nice. So guys, I'm greasing the loaf pan. You can as well grease your tray and transfer the caramelized candy in it so that you can get the perfect shape, or the caramelized candy will just take the shape of the tray or the thing that you're using to just collect it, and then you just let it stay there to cool down, and then you cut it into any shape of your choice. So guys, this is how I'm doing it. Just watch me do it for you, okay? So this is where we are. I'm pouring some in the loaf pan. So now shake it to burst all the bubbles on top of the caramelized candy. Set it aside for it to cool down. We're going ahead to also let this one right here thicken up and make it the Ghanaian way, okay? So far, I think it's okay. The thickness is fine. I'm going to grease my working surface and then transfer the caramelized candy on the working surface. That is it. It smells so amazing, guys. This is so hot, so make sure you don't burn your hand. So carefully just mold it and cut it into any shape of your choice. Okay, look at this. I can smell aroma. What an amazing aroma. It smells so good. I love the flavor. And guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please click on the red subscribe button. Click on the bell button to join this beautiful family. Okay, now guys, let's focus on this one right here in the loaf pan. Okay, now it's cooled down, so I'm going to just bring it out of the loaf pan and then cut it into my desired shapes. Guys, the reason why I normally go for this method is that my hand or fingers doesn't burn. Like the second method where I was trying to mold a hot caramelized candy. Because if you don't mold it and cut it into your desired shapes and then you let it cool down or harden up, that's it. It becomes so difficult to get it shaped up, okay? But with this method, it's so easy, safe, and fun for me because the caramelized candy takes the shape of the container or the tray you are using, and then, guys, that is it. All you need is just let it cool down. When it's warm, you then bring it out and cut it into any shape of your choice, like I'm doing right here. So lovely people, just like that, in no time we are done making our homemade caramelized candy or fan toffee, as we call it in Ghana. And guys, we use our own homemade condensed milk to do this. which I'll leave the link in the description down below for those of you who haven't seen the video yet and would like to see it. Okay, guys, I am so happy to get to this point, and I believe you are inspired to try this right away. Please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please join us by clicking on the red subscribe button. Click on the bell button to get updates and also join this beautiful family. Your likes, your comments, and your shares give your girl the motivation to keep on bringing you appetizing recipes. So please do this to support your girl, okay? Enjoy. Bye, all. Mwah. Kiss.